Hello. Today, we will be explaining counting sort in Minecraft.
Counting sort is a sorting algorithm that works best on datasets with repeating values and a low range of values. One interesting fact about counting sort was that it was created by Howard H. Seward along with radix sort. Both methods allow you to sort elements without comparing the values of the elements to each other.
In this room, we have an array of 10 values ranging from 0 to 9. Looping through the data, we find that there is 1 0, 1 1, 3 2s, 1 4, 2 6s, 1 8, and 1 9.
In the next room, we create a new array. I have 10 chests, labeled 0 through 9. For the purposes of this demonstration, I am using sea pickles as a counter. Inside the numbered chests are the number of times each value occurs in the dataset.
Now, we want to alter this array such that each value is the sum of its previous values. This sounds confusing, but just bear with me. Starting with the first chest, since there are no previous values, we leave it as is. Moving on to the second chest, we add the value inside the first chest to the value inside the second chest. For the third chest, we add the value inside the second chest to the value inside the third chest. And this pattern continues until we reach the ends of the array.
Finally, we enter the last room. I have created an empty array of 10 values labeled by index. Now, we go back to the initial dataset. First, take the first number, 1, then find the chest that corresponds to 1. Inside that chest, we subtract 1 from that number. Our result tells us which index to place 1 into, which coincidentally is index 1. We continue this process until the data is completely sorted.
For runtime, this is O of n plus k. Worst case scenario is when k is large. Take for example the set 0, 1, and 800. You do not want to use counting sort on that set. Best case scenario is when k is small, so runtime gets closer to O of n.
Counting sort is not in place, which means that it requires another array to be created to store values and takes up more space in memory versus an in-place algorithm where it might just store one value instead of an entire additional array. Also, this algorithm is stable, which means if there are two equal values in the array, the first one in the order of the array is sorted first.
Now you know how counting sort works. Bye!